In today's video, we are going to be analysing drug because it is up over 200% as we're recording this video. So to get straight into the resistance levels, what are we looking at? So if we continue up on drug, we're expecting a push to around $4, well $3.98. This will be our fourth deviation on the 4 hour. So coming into here, this will be our next solid level of resistance. However, if we are able to break through, then we would expect a push to $4.13. But do note, this whole area of resistance, $4 to around $4.15, is going to be very heavy resistance because obviously fourth deviation on the 4 hour, second deviation on the daily, and then you've also got the $4 psychological level, so 3 heavy levels of resistance. However, if we are able to break over this level and continue up, we do have levels quite far off at around 640 and 870. Now, the reason these levels are so wide, as you can see, this stock did have a big move before we did sell off very heavily, going from around $9 to 75 cents. So it has made the deviations very wide, which has made the targets very wide. However, if we do quickly want levels which are maybe a bit closer, we can go on to a 20-day, but as you can actually see here, we are already broken through that resistance. So we don't actually have any more resistance levels to give. So if you're looking for levels going even higher, you're going to have to use more psychological levels. So for example, the whole dollars and maybe the 50 cents. And at a push, you can even look at the 25 and the 75 cents. And what do we mean by that? So for example, right now we're at $3. So you've got the $3.25 resistance, $3.50 resistance, $3.75, and then the whole dollars. So that's one way you can look at resistance. Now, onto the support levels. What are we looking at? So as of right now, we are actually currently kind of hitting a support / resistance level around $3.05 because that is our third deviation on the 4 hour. So this level here, we do expect some hesitation, and that's kind of what we're seeing here. This level will be key though. As of right now, it's kind of a support level. And if we're able to hold it and we see more buying pressure kick in, meaning we kind of break probably back above 350, we would expect an overall push to $4 and kind of these levels here. And then again, the same thing, will these turn into supports, meaning we break through, come back, retest, and as long as these turn into support, we could expect a push to that next level, which in this case would be 650. Now, if we continue going lower down, what are going to be even more targets? We have some at 213, 185, and then 120. And then right below there, we can be paying attention to the gap fill that was created around $1. So those are going to be the key targets to the downside. However, if you want some more, we can go on to a 20-day and again get some levels which aren't going to be as strong as the one we've just given you, but they are added levels if you're just looking for maybe some quick scalp plays for the intraday plays. So I imagine this isn't a stock you're really going to be holding overnight. And then we've got 192, 170, 150, and 128. So those are going to be all the key levels that we're looking at on drug. If you enjoyed the video and you want to see another analysis video, why don't you check out this video here.